This is what like professional movie stars feel like. They never look so hot. Hello, my name's Jess. I'm from the UK and I'm the social media manager at Grover, and I've been here for 8 months. But I think the reason that I knew that Grover was the best place was during the interview process. I really loved everybody that I was speaking to, and especially when I started and I met everybody that I was going to be working with, it's a really great place to work. What just happened at Grover? I would say I remember when I first started, in like the first month, we did like a video shoot on the Spree here in Berlin. It was probably one of the coldest days. Hughie and Lucas kept on having to like warm me up because it was so cold. Part of this job is being versatile and sometimes having to do the occasional photo shoot in the freezing cold. Gosh, it's so warm. One word to describe my team would be fabulous. I am fabulous. 3 words to describe Grover culture would be hardworking, supportive, motivated. Go Grover. Where do I find inspiration? I genuinely think on our weekly meetings with the team, everyone's so creative that we can all just like sit together even for half an hour once a week and come up with some great ideas for the social that you see for Grover. What's something that people don't know about me? I can actually touch my tongue with my nose. So I mean, I'll probably have to do that. That was very embarrassing. A weird hobby. I tend to follow cute dogs on the street. It's probably weird for the owners, but I think it's quite unique because I love dogs. My favourite device would probably be my phone. Obviously working in social, I absolutely love Instagram. Love taking pictures of dogs on Instagram. If I had a superpower, it would probably be to read people's minds. I'd love to know what people are thinking. I am so tired.
Okay.